whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out game weak.
Always got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes, got the
Body, crib, got it, job, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I
that ass up, shake a little faster. I can't pass up, throw a little cash up. Way too soft up, dripping like pasta, smoking like Rasta. Ain't no nonsense, bitches on scroll up, money on roll up. Soon as I roll up, bottles on pull up, haters on hold up, bricks on load up. Trapping like Manson, diamonds keep dancing, spit up on a million, all old fashions, rims on passing, out last, that's what I eat it. All those classy, your girl's trashy, I'll be silky, your bitch ashy. These got questions, won't dare ask me. Push, push, push. Watch how I push shit. Watch how I look. Got these niggas shook. Shit, bitch on the grading, she keep it.
Guys, trust me when I tell you that the breeze was legit terrible. Like it literally blew out all my curls before I reached the hotel. Like when I reached there, I legit had no curls, like no curls. Like I had to be fixing my hair, but yeah, it was a hot mess, but it was so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this little clip that I tried to put together to show you my journey. But yeah. Yes, follow the person them who don't know which way we're currently at the one and only flat bridge. And I tell you it's when me I cross the bridge here and I drive my heart down my poor me. I tell you like me hit the bridge. The fact say it's so tiny, you know, say if you drop over there so let me find you. Can't know. But yeah.
For them.
Hi guys, so we're almost
Service. And I see Benz and again, tell about the 6 life. Yeah. And markets, and I see how they turn of the air go come still, yeah? I'll silent up, faith, perfect checks. Strong mind.
So guys, if me ever tell you no amount of time will last before I reach Uchi, like legit, I have a draft away one map cars. What could have late, you mad? For me, saw that excitement, all inclusive, free food. You mad? Yo, me say, it was fun though. Welcome to Farm Gully.
Enough 9 minutes up per night. When time on the wrap up on a sleep. Enough thing I'm when man arise. Nothing never make man wake. We try to stay far from trouble and the find me dog no care for man go to. See my life, I feel like a normal something no dog but God damn for the sign. See family and couple friend dead but do me don't pray for me earn. Man can't change nothing when God said. So anything will happen to me, God happen to me. Don't listen to nobody, mommy. Cause God no sleep, or your boy down stupid out there. Me I see where everybody do me eyes open. No sleep, up on the bomb. No afraid of problems. You know the journey now, sweet eyes open.
Sit us the front next. Our load. Oh, that load. Guys, we're here. We're at the Grand Bahia Paradise Hotel, and I'll be taking you along with me. Hi. Any? You have to check in. I forgot to one of the. Oh. Yeah. What am? Guys, so we're inside. They're over there taking pictures. So at 11 we're going to get something to eat. My face looks a mess, but I don't care. I'm here to have fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It's not really a vlog, it's just a day in my life, so you can see what I'm doing. But yeah. The place is amazing. Like, this is amazing. So guys, this is Grand Bahia Paradise in Ocho Rios. So you know who's going in the pool. I'll be going also out by the ocean. Yeah.
They are out in the people in Puman.
That's alright?
Yeah, they are right.
Make sure nothing wrong with that.
So it means that you want the woman.
Well, we need to find somewhere to change. That's a bar. So, it's cute. Not, yes, we have to. Well, this is fancy. Very fancy. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Wow. Oh! Awa, my phone went up. Why not? Come in my video, Tuana, come. Why? Stop. Should I bring the towel? I can just stay there.
My nose are burning. Is it?
Is it? Wait, the palm video? Yeah. Live with the phone? Live? Regular video. Oh. Yes, swim. Yes, fish. Hey guys, so I'm having a fun time. I want to go and get some food. My phone's dying because I'm vlogging on my phone. I need to get me a camera so I can start like doing fun stuff like this. But I also have a makeup tutorial that I'm editing for you guys, so stay tuned to that. Yeah, it's lit, guys. It's lit. Guys, I'm not telling us I'm gonna frost, but frost like the liquor creep up, and I got work in the morning. But hey, your girl gotta have fun. This here wear my life vest and stuff. Look at those two. Guys, like oh my god, that was like, I can swim, but I'm scared of the ocean. I'm still breathing hard, but like my friends are currently out there now. I'm trying to get them on camera. There they are. Go, girl! The view is amazing, trust me. Like, I am having so much fun, but my battery died, so I didn't get much footage, but I wanted to take you guys along with me so you can see like there's not a lot of person here, because you know, with the COVID and stuff, like we have to do like those social distancing and stuff. But like you can see a couple persons over there, 1 or 2 persons. I think it's a couple. And there are 1 or 2 persons over here. And yeah, but it's going really good. They're enjoying their stuff over there. I ain't going back on that shit. Nope. My company, the lifeguard, he's on the boat, so I'm not going back by myself.
That ass up, shake a little faster. I can't pass up, throw a little cash up. Way too sauced up, dripping like pasta, smoking like Rastas, eating on lobsters. Pockets on swole up, money on fold up. Soon as I roll up, bottles on pull up, haters on hold up, bricks on load up. Push it. Trapping like Manson, diamonds keep dancing. Spit $250,000, all on fashions. Rappers I pass them, I'll outlast them. My squad eating. My hoes classy, yo hoes trashy. My bitch silky, yo bitch ashy. Niggas got questions, won't dare ask me.